Live to the best, I'm taking it all, never taking less. If you wanna step to me, better watch your steps, cause I'm sliding a fox and I'll break your neck. Wait a minute, cup's getting low. What's good YouTube? Hope you're having a good day. Today, we're gonna go get some good food. After that, we gotta go grab something for the computer. And then we're gonna go hiking. But I hope to see you along. Let's get this started. To go grab some food. What do you want? You want soup?
Yes. Just get a cup of water. So pick two with the fruit, and you have the fruit too. Okay.
So here we are, Rickett's Glen. About to go on a nice little hike. So at Rickett's Glen, we usually take the Falls Trail, and this one is pretty much considered an intermediate one, but we enjoy it. Wait up. It's always nice to just come here, do a cookout, whatever it is that you enjoy, but most of the time we just come here and hike. Very nice place. It's Rickett's Glen, located in Pennsylvania. It's off Route 118. Look it up. So we're about to start hiking a little bit more here. We just got to the bottom of the mountain, about to go up the Appalachian Trail. But for any of you trail buffs out there, here's a little bit of the history of Rickett's Glen.
Spin like this. And then fall on my face.
now we're at the third waterfall, and we're about a mile in right now, maybe a mile and a quarter, but we're still having a good time. So we're gonna keep it going, but how far are we at right now?
1.41.
1.41 and more. We're at the fourth waterfall, 2 miles in, gotta keep going. So we're taking another break, but when you're hiking, just remember to always bring a crunch bar. It's good.
It's a happy break.
So we made it about 2.8 miles. We're heading back now, and I say overall a successful hike. More to come, obviously, in the future. So we're still heading back now, but I'm having fun. I know Sarah's having fun. It's a good workout, and sometimes you just gotta really stop and enjoy the things that are around you. Throughout this clip, I was seeing some of my audio was missing when I was turning on my GoPro, but as I told Sarah, I'm gonna make the best of it, bring everything to you. I hope you really enjoy everything. Let's just keep going. So we're almost done. It was a good hike, and I believe we went, how far did we go?
So far it's 4.5 miles.
4.5 miles. And my legs are burning. But as always, let's keep going. So that's pretty much it for the hike today. We went a total of 5 miles. So let's say about 2.5 up, 2.5 down. And we're gonna head back home, get something good to eat, and then I'm probably just gonna chill my bones. How about you?